And guys, Bondo, here is the job. We poured a slab on top of a slab here last year, and they built this nice pole barn. My buddy Will built the pole barn, and there's the old slab, there's the new slab. I'll probably link a video to that, to this video. But now we gotta put an approach on here, and it's pretty tall, so they took the old apron out because it was low, obviously, went to the old concrete. So we want to go out farther than that just to make it a little softer of an approach. They dug like 8 feet out. We're going to go 12. We're going to come out 12 feet, probably 12.3, cut a line here, get rid of all this stuff, bring in some stone, and put some stone in there, and we're going to pour it out 12 by 28. That's what we're gonna do, and it's gonna be down. We're gonna try to get it down close as we can to the blacktop so they can actually get in their garage. So that's the game plan today. We got the Yanmar over here, got Kevin the Kubota, and I'm gonna go get the dump truck, Dumpkin. So Biscuit's gonna snap a line here and cut this, and then I'll go get Dumpkin and we'll dig this out. Then we're gonna use the skidster to load up Dumpkin, get rid of all this blacktop and shit, and put some stone in. That's the game plan. Get her done, 101. Stay tuned. Yeah, guys, we got old Dumpkin going here. We're heading to the job. Biscuit's cutting it right now, so we're going to load up all that asphalt. We're gonna get the Yanmar and dig it out, see what we got going on, but that's the plan. Heading over there now with old Dumpkin. I got my CDL last year, so now I can drive Dumpkin, and I got it on the road. It cost me like $4,000 to put it on the road, which is pisses me off, but what are you gonna do? That's for the insurance and registration. The insurance was $3,700, and that's just liability. Good old New York State, that's not collision. But anyways, we got her going, and I'm heading over there. So we've been using this truck. It's a nice truck. I still need to do a little bit of work to it, but it's a very nice truck. I like it a lot. It hauls a lot better than Clifford the Red Dog. Just wasn't heavy duty enough. We outgrew that truck really fast. So stay tuned. Going up to the job. Kind of tight quarters here at this job, especially with all our equipment over here. We're gonna dig her out. See where we go here. Looks like Biscuit's cutting it right now. So that's the game plan, guys. I'll park this right here. We're doing, putting it in there, dumping it in old Dumpkin, digging it out, getting all the concrete and asphalt out of here. Dump that one, Chris. Alright guys, now we're going to tamp it. I'm going to haul away all the rocks and asphalt and stuff. These guys are going to tamp it. They're going to put the board in. I'm going to run and get some crushed gravel. We're going to put that down, I guess. That's the game plan. And we'll be good to go. Put the crushed gravel in there and put our wire in, be ready for concrete. I'm over here to Lindsay Aggregates, guys, getting some they call it driveway stone. It's basically just crushed rock. We're gonna put that in there. Ray is got some equipment issues in his pit, so I'm gonna come over here and It's a little bit different products, a little more expensive, but it'll work just fine for the little apron. I called Circle T, and they're good. They're good to pour today, so we'll probably pour it. So that's what we're doing. We're getting 6 tons, 12,000 pounds. That's what we're getting today. That'll be plenty. Biscuit says I gotta put this on YouTube. I definitely screwed up today, guys. On Monday, I never dumped the blacktop out of the truck when I went to get the stone. Now we got all that crap in the truck. Oh yeah. Not using the coal chute. Seems to be sifting through it somewhat.
Yeah, I'll keep some real big ones falling out of it.
Yeah, yeah. Gonna say, try the middle one, Jay. Yeah, I got all that crap in there still.
Grease that thing.
They're sticky.
Oh, grab a hold of that.
They're sticky. Oh, that's the stuff I forgot to take out of the truck, so we did lose a little bit of stone, but oh well. Shit happens, guys. Shit happens. Just a brain fart on a Monday. Okay, guys, we're ready to rip. Circle T's bringing our concrete, our mud, and we're gonna pour this out quick. It's only 6 yards, so foreman pour, baby. That's what you got to do on these little jobs. I only got 3 of our team here. The other guys are at my house splitting wood, splitting firewood, because these little jobs don't pay that well. So if I had my whole crew here, I'd probably lose money. So we're gonna get some wood split today. Me, Chris, Biscuit, and Ray are gonna get her done. We hung some poly up over the nice brand new garage. So stay tuned, we'll get this poured out. We're just gonna broom finish it. We are gonna jitterbug it. And we use our jitterbug. Then we spray it with Mapcrete. You got the Mapcrete out? Spray it with Mapcrete, and then we're gonna hit it with the big bow float. Then we hit it with the resin float, and then we broom it. Rock and roll. Here comes our mud right there. Circle T, baby. I called them this morning. They said they could hook us up today. That's awesome. They do service me well, I can tell you that much. Good thing, because we wouldn't get the work done we do. We'll see who it is. It might be Scotty Bond. I don't know. It's hard to tell from here. I don't know. I think it is Scotty Bond. Scotty Bond's in the house, huh? Scotty Bond in the house. There he is, Scotty Bond. Scotty, we're gonna start over there, bud. We'll get a couple shoots on old Scotty Bond. Get a couple shoots on your brother from the same mother. Oh geez, look at that. The slime stick got broken.
All that wear and tear, and I never broke it. Somebody
borrows the slime stick and breaks it. 5.5, Scotty. 5.5. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Pull up a little, bud. Pull up. Pull up a little. There you go. All right. Think we need a new tire, guys? What do you think, Scotty?
Yeah.
Think we could go get a couple more jobs out of her?
Yeah, if you put a tube in there, we'll be all right.
Oh, yeah, that would be good. Shit. Nothing wrong with that tire. Right, Scotty Bond?
No, nothing. Put some slime in there. Fix the flat can help. Yeah. Fix the flat.
All right, guys. Look at that. Biscuit's doing his work here. That's the way we do it. I forgot my tripod, guys. That's why I didn't video. You know how we do it, though. You've seen us do it before. Jitterbug, mapcrete, 6-footer, poly boat float. Getting the map out. Get the map out so we don't lose it. That is surface evaporation retardant for this gross concrete that we're stuck working with. 1L yucky concrete that doesn't close up good and delaminates and doesn't like the wind, doesn't like the sun, doesn't like the cool. It's just great. They call it green. They don't call it green because half the people got to rip it out. They don't know how to work with it. How green is that when you're tearing it out? Right, Ray? How green is that L1 concrete when half the people got to rip it out after they pour it? That doesn't make it too green, does it? Right, Chris? If you pour L1 and you got to rip it out because you don't know how to work with it, how green is that?
Yeah. You gotta pour it twice.
Yeah, you got to pour it twice, so you're using twice as much. I don't see how that's a green product myself. A lot of failures with this crap. We've got a recipe for working with it that works pretty good. Just what I just told you. And that jitterbug is honestly is the key to it. One of the main keys to it. That drives them rocks down and gets nice cream on the surface that we can work with. And then with our mapcrete in there, it's just a combination of those things that make it decent. Biscuit just hit this again. This gives it a little bit better paste. Stops that surface from drying out. Take what? Oh, the whole thing? Oh. That's that, guys. Scotty Bond's washing out. And we'll be brooming this sucker before you know it. Before you know it, we'll be brooming and zooming. Scotty's got to move, though, before we can do that part. Hey, Scotty, look at you. Scotty boy Bond. He's out. Looking pretty good, guys. Looking pretty good. Yeah. Rock and roll. Rock and roll. I'm going to jump inside there and hit that edge. Cutting some lines. Yeah. Ray's spraying on our water-based curing seal. Oh, and undressing seal right there. That's what we're using. I would put a cone right in front of it so somebody doesn't get on there. Yeah.